Hey, Tara at Buildercross. I wanted to just put out a quick video just letting y'all know the different types of wood that we offer here and just give you some information about them so you can make, if you're new to ordering craft shapes from us, you have a more educated outlook on the different types of wood. So I'm gonna start, this is our 1/8 inch. And this is a moisture resistant wood. It's really thin. This is great for smaller items, like we use it for our Christmas tags and our present, I called them what, present charms? Yeah, gift charms. They're gift charms. So this is one that we use for that. We're also offering, you know, some of the larger items. I think we go up to about 18 to 20 inches on this thickness of wood. So this is a good, affordable option that is moisture resistant. So when we go to our 1/4 inch MDF, you can see that it's a little bit thicker. It's, you know, well, if this is 1/8 and this is 1/4, it's gonna be twice as thick. So this is a double refined wood. This is not moisture resistant. So if you're going to be putting it outdoors, we tend to, you would wanna probably go ahead and go with the thinner wood. That's, the 1/8 inch that's moisture resistant. This will be fine like on your front door under a covered patio for this season, but over time it is going to collect moisture. It's also a little bit more porous, so it's gonna soak up the paint a little bit faster, but still a good quality MDF to use. It's just not recommended, you know, to be out in the elements for an extended period of time. So we have that one there. This is our 3/8 inch, so it's our thickest that we have and that we sell. This one is also not moisture resistant, but this is really good for like, if you have monograms you're hanging on your wall or the long words that you're wanting to put up. This just gives you that, it's sturdy and it's not going to break as easily. So you wanna just kinda use it when you're doing something that you're wanting to, that you need to be not fragile. So we have that one there. Okay, so next we have our 2 pines. We have the yellow pine plywood and a white pine plywood. So these are, when we say plywood, I just sprayed myself with a bunch of dust. When we say plywood, these actually are like a layered, like a, not a pressed wood, but it's definitely glued, you know, in layers. So you've got this, so there will sometimes be some flaking or chipping. We try to really watch for that, but this wood does have imperfections. Sometimes it'll be stamped with the manufacturer's stamp that will sand off, or you can paint over it. The yellow one is more knotty and a little bit more grainy. Then we have our white pine, which is definitely a smoother, cleaner look. Now, my personal preference is if I'm doing something for the outdoors for myself, I like the look and I just feel like the yellow pine has a sturdier appeal. Both of them are good and, you know, good. You can use them outdoor, you want to seal them, protect them, but they're both fine to go out for yard art. The white pine, like if you're making a door hanger or a birth announcement or whatnot, it has a cleaner look. It's just a smoother, more classy look. But either one of them work great. They are not a solid hardwood, so you know they are a plywood. So don't be confused by that, and when you're ordering, just know that it is a plywood and not a solid piece of hardwood. So those are the options. Let me put them up. Is that good?
Go a little bit to
Go a little bit this way?
Yep.
Okay, so you just see the difference. The yellow, this is the knotty pine, and this is the white pine. So you have those options. So I just wanted to give y'all some information so you're educated when you're ordering. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support-a-cross.com, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank y'all and have a great day.
Thanks.